New Year's Eve prep on New Year's Eve. Or New Year's race? Is it New Year's Eve race or New Year's race? I don't remember.
New Year's Eve because it's New Year's Eve today and we're not racing until Friday.
Yeah, so it's a New Year's race. Today's New Year's Eve. Colin's changing spark plugs. I'm lifting it up in the air so we can change tires because DR3s. Got the new Hoosier DR3 on there, buddy. With the white walls out because race cars. So while he's up there changing spark plugs, I'm going to lift this thing up in the air, change the wheels and tires, get the 26s off. All right, we got the DR3s on. Talk about tucking a tire, dude. Hell yeah.
There's a gap. It's touching the
All right,
chicken.
here, hold that while I roll this fender.
That was the good side of the bed. You should have bought the other bed.
No.
This is painful. This is for all the Ford Ranger enthusiasts. Damn it, Casey. That's aggressive there, bud.
I just wanted to make sure it misses it.
Is this how that dude built?
Brother! All right, it's about freeze your ass o'clock out.
Father's mad.
Yeah, Damon's mad because we're late. Truck's in the trailer, strapped down, ready to go, closing the door. We're heading to test.
Sometimes we should listen to Colin.
So we're not testing tonight, but Damon, we drove all the way to Glens Falls, 2 people, picked up Damon, drove down the road to a test spot just so he could update it.
It's not working.
Oh, it's not working?
No.
Hell yeah. So we're going to Maple Grove, untested, with a dash that doesn't work properly.
I can't even fucking record till I get this thing fucking updated. That's what you get to do tomorrow. You can call.
Alright guys, it's Thursday morning, New Year's Day. We finally got the dash up, we finally got the dash updated so the firmware works. Was on FaceTime with Damon. We got the bottle pressure to read on the screen. We got data logging working. Everything works. We're good to go. I'm meeting Joey at 12:30 or at 12 o'clock at his house, and he's about 40 minutes away. It's 12 o'clock, so yeah. We're gonna got the heaters loaded up. We're gonna hit the road. See everybody in Maple Grove. All right, stop number 2. We met up with Joey. We got Nick. We got Lizzie, Cody, and the Anal Bead Tug of War champion, Big Joey.
Got him! Got him!
We picked him up off the side of the road.
See him on the line. His hand's gonna be up.
Don't wear that on the line. I'm only gonna wear it when your car comes up.
So that means he's only wearing it once.
Want to put 500 on that?
Nope. All right, we out. Put 20 in. We're rolling some dice. Whoa, a little too aggressive, Pops.
Easy. On the table. 1, 2, 3. That's a loser.
Nothing.
Nothing. 1, 2, 5. Nothing. 2.
2.
5.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Who did you get, a 5?
Yeah.
2. Thanks.
Hold up.
That's bright. Well,
That's real bright.
me and Nick, we made it. Joey finally caught up with us going through the mountains. I didn't do any boring car videos because it's boring car videos. So we're going to go check into our hotel, and turns out there's an auto mall. Is that what it is over there?
Yeah.
There's an auto mall, classic auto mall over there, where we're going to test the Ranger and see if the nitrous works, see if it does a burnout, and yeah. And then we'll load it back up in the trailer. We'll go to dinner.
Drag strip.
And then drag strip tomorrow. I might just leave it here tonight.
That's a good spot. I like it.
I might just leave the truck and trailer right here tonight. Unload it right here. I will. Bet, dude.
Let's unload it.
We gotta check in first. All right. Wait till you guys see there's a pool inside. Yes. Right over there, right in there. Pool. All right, we're over in the parking lot. I gotta get the broom out and sweep. Check the tune-up in it. Get it out of the trailer and go make a lick. We're about to do something here. All right, thank you. All right, well, we got kicked out of this parking lot over here, so I'm gonna just take it out into the main road and see what happens. Where we at?
Chili's.
I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back.
Chili's baby back ribs.
I want my baby back.
Chili's baby back ribs.
Barbecue sauce. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. I want my baby back.
Chili's baby back ribs.
I want my baby back.
Chili's baby back ribs.
Colin showed up. We went to Chili's and we played some dice. And I'm up. Oh, and we have no oil pressure. Now we're going to put our tune-up in it. I'm going to have Colin take the cover off that's in there. Get to the oil pressure sensor, unplug it, and see if maybe there's a problem there.
I didn't die.
Yep. Okay, stay tuned. So
The size that we don't have or the size that we don't have?
we should have Allen wrenches somewhere. Allen wrenches. So we're going to pull the valve cover off and start it and see if we have oil pressure up here.
Hopefully it's a 5.
Yeah, so.
Yay! God, I'm good.
Right now, if you start this thing up,
We got 3.6.
there's 3.6 pounds. And when I looked at the data log earlier, I had, I think 10. It was 10 and it was just stuck at 10. It didn't change. So Dad seems to think that it might be because we got down here and started it cold with 2050 in it. It may have pushed the O-ring out maybe of the pickup tube, which is, I guess, possible. I don't know. I did put 2 bolts in.
We've been starting it cold
I
at
know.
the shop.
I don't know. So we're gonna first make sure we have oil pressure going to the top of the engine. If we do, I think next thing we'll do is pull the panel off on the inside of the dash, and pull the sensor out and see if there's any crap on the bottom of the sensor. Because this is a Gen 3 block, and the Gen 3 blocks used to run screens on them. So I don't have a screen in it.
I remember putting the sensor in and him going,
We don't need a screen. So I'm hoping it's either A, a bad sensor, or B, there's crap on the bottom of the sensor. And I also don't remember what sensor we put in it, so
Find out.
we're going to find out after we get this valve cover off, verify we have oil pressure, then
Go to the
parts store in the morning,
reconfigure it,
and then refigure it out tomorrow. So, yeah. Dude's got Al Capone on there. I'm so happy I brought my mechanic with me.
You know, my race
Wait,
car,
I thought you were a race car driver.
my
Is
race
it?
my race car from earlier was a lot more fun to work on.
And also, I thought the driver wasn't supposed to be working on the car.
Yeah, I thought I was just showing up to drive.
I was the crew chief, and you, right?
Am I gonna have to pour my own puddle?
Yeah, he's
back
gonna have to get
myself
out.
in?
Relax, you might not be pouring anything other than pouring drinks tomorrow.
Hey, I'm good with that. I'll be warm.
If you need me and Colin, we'll be in here
We
drunk.
can't even make margaritas because we don't have ice because we don't have an ice tank in this.
Oh yeah, we can go get ice. We're gonna have an extra $150 for the buy-in.
We're just gonna gamble it all. All on
No,
Joey.
I'm up 300.
We'll gamble it on Joey. You
Get
know,
that valve cover off.
Mr. Small Tire in Streetcar. This just is a
I'll do this part for you.
pain in the butt cheek. Race car.
Yep. Still feeling it. Jesus. Well, that's not good. Alright, so upon further investigation, Colin found oil under the truck,
Much larger.
which is leaking down from
Kind of would like to see the color of it all.
the bell housing area. Bell housing area. So we're gonna change the oil. One thing we're gonna do, and the other thing is, so it's probably like a 19 or a 3/4. So what we're gonna do is drain the oil, and while the oil is draining, Colin's gonna pull the cover off on the inside and see if the oil pressure switch blew out, which I probably did. So, yeah, cameras a go. Make sure there's no water or anything. That magnet's pretty freaking strong. All right, it's not as bad as I thought it was.
No.
All right, so we're going to let this drain, change the filter, and catch back with you in a minute. All right, Colin's working on pulling that out. I'm putting the valve cover back on. The oil's draining. Yeah. Good times. Oh, by the way, it's 11 o'clock at night. Driver's meeting's at 10:30 tomorrow. The vacuum line? Yeah. Careful pulling the wiring. You're recording. If you
Take a gander right there where all that oil is, and all the oil that's on the valley cover.
Yeah, oil's not supposed to come through the sensor.
No, it's not supposed to be inside the plug. We need one of them.
We need an oil pressure switch.
We might have oil pressure.